Hey everybody, welcome to Remedy This. Today, you're going to discover how to get a flat stomach in a month at home without the use of any equipment. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end because you're going to want to learn each one of these exercises and incorporate them into your workout routine. Or, you may want to create a workout routine around just these exercises. Either way, you're going to be pleased with the results these exercises provide when done regularly. So let's get started. Losing fat around your stomach can be a very challenging experience. Extra weight around your midsection is not only a risk factor for a lot of diseases, but it can be discouraging and make you feel bloated. Fortunately, though, there are several ways that have been proven to be very effective at decreasing your waist size. This may just be the video for you if you've been looking for ways to lose fat around your midsection and create that flat stomach of your dreams. We have compiled the top 4 exercises to destroy belly fat that you can do from the comfort of your home and in a mere 30 days. You're only going to need 10 minutes a day to do these exercises, and you do each exercise for the time specified with a 10 seconds rest in between each exercise. Number 1. Crunches. Lying on your back, bend your legs with your knees pointing up and your feet flat on the floor. Now, cross your hands to their opposite shoulder, left hand to right shoulder and right hand to left shoulder. An alternative position is to place your hands behind your ears but do not pull on your neck. Now you want to lift your head and shoulders off the ground, exhaling as you rise. Then lower yourself back to your starting position lying flat and inhale as you lower. You should be trying for 10 to 25 repetitions, increasing by 1 or 2 repetitions each day. As you get stronger and you can do 25 repetitions, add another set of 10 to 25 repetitions. Number 2. Plank. Starting face down with your forearms flat on the floor and your elbows directly under your shoulders, lift yourself up onto your toes with your forearms still flat on the floor and your arms bent at a 90-degree angle at your elbows. Your body should be in a straight line from head to toes, making sure your hips aren't too high or too low. Hold this plank position for 20 seconds, building up to 60 seconds, and don't forget to breathe. Repeat this plank 3 times with 10 seconds rest in between each time. In order to reduce pressure on your low back and support your posture, you can rotate your pelvis under. Focus on keeping your body as straight as possible without an arch at your hips or your waist. You can increase the width between your feet in order to gain stability and to make the position easier to hold. Then you can reduce the distance between your feet as you get stronger. Number 3. Bird dog. Put yourself in a tabletop position by bending your knees and putting your weight on your hands and toes. While in this position, keep your spine straight by squeezing your core. Now raise your right arm reaching straight out in front of you while at the same time raising your left leg and stretching it straight out behind you. While squeezing your core nice and tight, hold for a count of 10 to 20 seconds before returning to your original starting position. Repeat this same movement with your left arm and right leg. Both movements combined will make 1 repetition. Your goal is to complete 5 to 10 good repetitions. As you get stronger and you can do 10 good repetitions with 20 seconds hold time for each movement of a repetition, add another set of 5 to 10 repetitions. Number 4. Mountain climbers. You want to get yourself on your hands and toes in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Keeping your hips down, pull your right knee up to your chest and return it to its starting position. Repeat that process with your left knee. Continue alternating until you've completed the number of repetitions you feel comfortable with. You should be trying for 10 to 25 repetitions with each leg, increasing by 1 or 2 repetitions each day. As you get stronger and you can do 25 repetitions with each leg, add another set of 10 to 25 repetitions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please help us out by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for this channel so you don't miss any of our new videos about home remedies and much more.